Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing this beautiful package that I received from Sparkle & Co. It's their BOOtiful collection. Unfortunately, they only had limited quantities available of this entire collection, but one of the colors is actually going to become part of their permanent collection, so you'll be able to find it on their website, sparkleandco.com. I also want to highly recommend that you follow them on social media and especially join their Sparkle & Co. Luxe Nails group on Facebook, so you'll be one of the first to find out what's new with Sparkle & Co. Check the description box of my video for direct links to their Facebook group and Instagram account. Also remember that you can use the code LaShenny21Nails15 for 15% off your order. And if you use my channel name LaShenny21Nails in the reference section of your order, we'll both get a store credit. They have an awesome referral program. You can find out more information in the description box of this video. It was really difficult trying to figure out what color to use because they're all so pretty, but I finally ended up with these three. Monster Mash, Frankenslime, and Purple People Eater. So I'm going to be using the Base Bond, Solidify, and the Glossy Top Coat. And I created a BOOtiful manicure using these beautiful dip powders. Wow, that looks so cool. I'll brush off the excess and apply a second coat. This one is so opaque, I don't think I need to do a second coat on this one. So pretty, I love this. I'll brush off the excess one more time. And now I'll apply step 3, which is solidify. We wait for it to dry. And once it's dry, we can file and buff the nails. We remove the excess and apply solidify one more time. Let's apply the Glossy Top Coat. And now I can apply another coat of the Glossy Top Coat. And this is the completed manicure. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye! I also found a really cute Frankenstein image and I decided to stamp it on the green nail.